Good morning. Happy Tuesday, I believe. I'll go ahead and put it up today. I was about to sit down and do some, I guess you could call it computer work that I needed to get done. And I saw these boxes sitting there. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do these. I am going to get to the Natasha Denona, and I am going to get to the Gwen Stefani. In fact, I was thinking about buying the newest Natasha Denona, and I'm like, let me do this one first. I mean, it's not like I need it, but I was thinking about it. I am exhausted. As y'all know, I was recently diagnosed with diabetes. If you're new here, hi, I'm Erica. Welcome to Life with Erica. Everyone else, I was recently diagnosed with diabetes, and I forgot to eat lunch yesterday. So anyone who has diabetes knows what that will do to you. I wasn't aware that all of a sudden at 3 o'clock in the afternoon I'd get dizzy, sleepy, tired, and I went and checked my blood sugar. It was like 60, and I was like, oh my god. So I was exhausted the rest of the day. Jason cooked dinner. It was wonderful, but I was in the middle of cooking dinner and getting stuff chopped up to make the zucchini and the mashed potatoes and the hamburger steaks, Salisbury steaks, whatever. And I just got really dizzy, and I went and checked it because when I was pregnant with Eric, I had low blood sugar. So I knew what that feeling was, but it was way more intense. I was not used to that. So I'm a little groggy today, and I am going to get to this. So we have the Walmart beauty boxes. You get them every fall. I'm gonna cancel the second one because they used to send me two different ones. Now they're just sending me the same one, and I'm not gonna keep paying for two of the same thing because, I mean, technically I could probably just do a giveaway with this and stick a label on it and send it to you. But I believe I looked in this one. I think there's perfume, and you can't send perfume. That's what this is. They pay extra to send that. So I may have to open it up and put some other stuff in it, and then you know what I mean. So anyways, there is the Degree. These are like, I think for both of them it's $13.99. I don't think it's $13.99 each. And it's 4 times a year. You go to Walmart Beauty, or you could just type in your search bar Walmart Beauty Box, and it'll come up, and then you go and you answer the questions. All of that, and then they send you samples, sometimes full size items, and it's not like the greatest box, but I like it. But the Degree 72-hour Sexy Intrigue dry deodorant spray. It smells good. I haven't smelled that one. Sexy Intrigue. I use those sometimes when I'm just running around the house and I forgot to put deodorant on, and mostly I use the Secret Naturals, I think. It's like, it doesn't have any of the ingredients that are bad for you in it. This Nautica Blue, when I opened it the other day, I messaged Jason because I sprayed it. It smells really good. I was so surprised. I made this whole room smell good. I was like, ooh, I like that. I asked Jason if he would wear it, and he says, yeah, I like it. I was like, okay, cool. So now he has a cologne I like. Alright, it's got the little box. It says Fall for Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And it talks about everything that's in it. The full size of the antiperspirant is $6.12. Okay. Next thing in here is Reconstructive Moisture Mask by Kristen S. Strand strengthening for all hair types, moisture reviving, strand softening, deep nourishing, sulfate free. I believe these are always sealed. Yep, they're sealed. Alright. And I have tried something by this brand and I liked it. I just can't remember what it is. The full size is $14.97 and it's a 6.7 ounce, and this is 0.9, so like 6 of these, a little over 6 of these. All right, this I saw, and I saw someone on Instagram using it. The full size, the Olay Melts. It is a daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of skin without stripping. Water activated cleansing pads activate to a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh skin. This is a vitamin C. It says the full size is only $9.88 for 32 count. So if you only need like one of these a day, that's a little over a month for $9.88. I will let y'all know. Maybe I'll do like a little reel or whatever it is where I use it. I'll see if I can do that. There's 4 in here. But it was interesting to me because I've been trying to find something. It is so crazy. I put makeup on the other day, right? I know, surprise, because I'm not even wearing it right now. I forget where I was going, but I might have done a video. I don't know. Anyways, I had makeup on. And I washed my face. I did the Clinique melt away stuff. And I even washed my face with regular soap in the shower and the Rodale vitamin C cleanser in the shower. Everything. I put on my skincare that night. The next morning I got up and I was cleaning my face again, and there was still makeup on. And I thought I got it all off. The next day it looked like there was still makeup on. I was like, what in the world is going on? So I don't know if I just don't have good cleansers. But, okay. The next thing in here is some foil packs of Latin Us Beauty Impossible Keratin Shampoo. Reduces frizz and flyaways. And it's got conditioner and Lock the Look styling cream for flyaways. I don't use styling cream, so I'm not going to probably use these. So I'll probably stick this in like a giveaway type thing. For like just, you know, random. And then I've been wanting to buy this, so I'm glad it's in here. This is the NYX. Oh, let me tell you, the full size of the shampoos are $12.97 for 8 ounces to 12 ounces. Okay? And this is the NYX Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss. Full size is $12.97. This isn't full size. I would almost say the full size looks similar to this, so it's not much off. It might be a little bigger, but this isn't just clearly spicy. Let's see how spicy. So I got that. All right, so that's what the one box is, and they're both the same exact number on here. So I'm just going to put the other one up. I'm going to take the cologne out of it, and then I'll go ahead and stick some other stuff with it and put it in a giveaway. I'm going to try this Kristen S thing. I'm going to try this, and I'll probably buy a full size of this just so I could try it out more than once to make sure. But yeah, it's barely warming up. I don't know. It says extreme, so I'm waiting. And there it goes. It didn't even burn my tongue. But yes, so these are fairly simple. You only get them 4 times a year. It's always little like things like this. Sometimes you do get lucky and they have a full size items, but for $5 or $6, it's very much worth it. So I don't complain. But I swear I'm going to try to get to these boxes. These other products. I'm just having so many issues, and it's getting used to the issues is the actual issue. Like, I'm so used to being able to just go about my day, not have to worry about eating, because I never ate anything but dinner usually. And now I'm having to make sure I take my iron pills. I'm having to make sure that I'm eating and getting enough iron, getting enough fiber, getting enough everything to keep my body just the where it's supposed to be, and it's just so hard. So yes, I have an alarm set that'll tell me I have to eat lunch. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and if y'all have any tips and tricks for diabetics, and my cat is in the bag, diabetics and people with low iron, let me know, because that would be just great. I would love some tips and tricks to remember all this. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.